Since the last time we checked in on Digibank, they have grown by 50-fold. They now provide credit cards and have doubled the number of employees. They can process 50 times as much data per day, which is 14,000 transactions per minute. This is a lot of data to process into insights, so how are they going to handle all of this? As always, this video has simplified topics. It's designed to expose you to key ideas and concepts. It's based on my own personal views and experience, and I would recommend doing further research yourself. With Digibank's growth has come a range of new and difficult data and analytics problems. They must now store 1,000 times more data than they were before. It is coming in at a rate 1,000 times faster, and the data types are varied, with receipt images, audio, and location data flowing in. They are having trouble handling it. They have heard a lot about big data and want to investigate it. It's important to understand that big data does not just mean lots of data, but the types and speed at which it's coming in. Big data can be defined by the 3 V's. The first is volume, the size of the data. This would generally be bigger than terabytes and possibly petabytes. The second is velocity, how quickly is the data streaming in? And then finally, there's variety, the different types of data such as video, images, structured, audio. For Digibank, they have a lot of transactions coming in quickly. We need to store them and process them in real time. This includes tasks like identifying whether a transaction is fraudulent. There are different ways that we can look to process all of this data. We can either use a bigger computer, which is referred to as vertical scaling. Alternatively, we can split it up across a lot of computers. This is known as horizontal scaling. Big data processing involves horizontal scaling, splitting the data and processing up across different computers or clusters. Let's apply these concepts to the issues at Digibank. Currently, Digibank have the data on a small single server, and are trying to process it. Our first option is to increase the size and power of that we already have. However, the power and storage of a single server is limited. As the data continues to grow, we will run into similar problems. The other option is to get more servers which are less powerful and spread the processing load across them. This means Digibank can scale horizontally if they set up the data to be processed across the servers. Although this seems like a good solution, it can quickly become a problem. As Digibank grows, it will become more and more costly to manage, maintain, and implement their tech infrastructure. It will also become increasingly complex for those attempting to get insights, as the data will be split up across systems and locations. The technical debt will become unmanageable, and as new technology is developed, it will not be able to be implemented into this solution. Such a problem prevents an organization from driving the insights they want from their data in an automated and prescriptive manner. This will be addressed in the next and final video in the Data to Insights series. Thank you for watching. If you want more information, please use some of the links in the description. Feel free to leave a comment or question down below, and please subscribe if you want more content.